Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Buona Beef is probably one of the most iconic Chicago food experiences you can have. From the perfectly seasoned beef to the variety of toppings and the signature Italian bread, every bite is a symphony of flavors and textures. Whether you're a local or just visiting, this is a must-try for any food lover. Get ready to dive into a juicy, flavorful experience that will leave you craving more. Number 5. Ancestral Supplements Grass-Fed Beef Organ Supplement. Introducing Ancestral Supplements Grass-Fed Beef Organ Supplement. This supplement supports whole-body wellness with a proprietary blend of vital organs. It's designed to help you feel your best. This supplement contains 600 mg of grass-fed liver, a nutrient-dense superfood. It's rich in vitamin A, heme iron, and B12. This supports optimal energy production, detoxification, and digestion. With 600 mg of grass-fed heart, this supplement is a powerhouse for heart health. It's the richest source of CoQ10, supporting optimal heart health and energy production. This supplement provides 600 mg of grass-fed kidney. It's a source of selenium, B12, and DAO enzymes. This promotes strong kidney health and supports the antioxidant defense system. The supplement includes 600 mg of grass-fed pancreas. It provides a natural source of enzymes to support healthy digestion. This helps your body process food more efficiently. This supplement contains 600 mg of grass-fed spleen, a concentrated source of heme iron. It supports a strong immune response and promotes metabolic health. It helps you stay healthy and active. What we like. This supplement is packed with essential nutrients from various beef organs. It supports your body's natural functions, from energy production to detoxification. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your overall health and wellness, you should consider it. What people say. The Italian beef sandwich was delicious. The gravy was flavorful. The beef was tender and well seasoned. Number 4. Vienna Beef Italian Beef and Gravy Kit. Today, we're featuring a taste of Chicago with this Italian beef and gravy kit. It's a classic for a reason, bringing the authentic flavors of the Windy City right to your table. Inside, you'll find everything you need to create a delicious meal. This kit includes sliced Italian beef and savory gravy, ready to heat and serve. The tender, flavorful beef is the star of the show. It's perfectly seasoned and sliced, making it easy to enjoy. This is sure to be a crowd pleaser. The rich, savory gravy complements the beef perfectly. It's the perfect dipping sauce for the sandwich. You'll love the way it tastes. Don't forget the giardiniera. This spicy, pickled vegetable mix adds a zesty kick. It's the perfect topping for the sandwich. Finally, the kit includes 4 French rolls. They're the perfect vessel for this delicious Italian beef. Enjoy the complete experience. What we like. This kit brings the authentic taste of Chicago right to your kitchen. It includes everything you need for a classic Italian beef sandwich. If you are craving a delicious and easy-to-prepare meal, you should choose this one. What people say. The Italian beef sandwich was perfect. The gravy was amazing. The beef was tender and flavorful. Number 3. LOUIE'S Italian Beef Seasoning, 3 ounces, 3 pk. This is LOUIE'S Italian beef seasoning. It's perfect for adding authentic Italian flavor to your beef. You'll love the taste. This package contains 3 3-ounce containers. It's the perfect amount for multiple meals, and it's easy to store. This seasoning is a grocery item. It's a convenient way to enhance your cooking. The package dimensions are 3.8 cm L x 13.5 cm W x 14.6 cm H. It's designed to be compact and easy to handle. The package weighs 0.268 kilograms. It's lightweight and easy to carry. This seasoning is made with herbs and spices. It's a delicious blend that will elevate your dishes. What we like. This seasoning is the secret ingredient to elevate your Italian beef. It's a blend of herbs and spices designed to enhance the flavor of your dish. If you like to add an extra layer of deliciousness to your Italian beef, you should consider this. What people say. It brings the perfect blend of spices to create that authentic, juicy Italian beef flavor. Simple to make with no watching or wondering. Flavor is amazing. Number 2. Kansas City Steak Burgers, 12 Premium Steakhouse Burgers. These 4.5-ounce beef steak burgers are perfect for any occasion. They embody the tradition of American grilling, offering a true American flavor that's perfect for sharing with family and friends. Made from the finest corn-fed beef, these burgers offer an unbeatable flavor and tenderness. Every bite is juicy and satisfying, sourced exclusively for your enjoyment. The burgers come vacuum-sealed for maximum freshness and convenience. They are ready to be grilled, making them perfect for any barbecue or family dinner, ensuring a hassle-free experience. You'll cook like a pro with the free seasoning pack and expert cooking tips. It includes step-by-step instructions and grilling times, ensuring perfect burgers every time. If you're not 100% satisfied, they will make it right. Enjoy a worry-free, delectable dining experience with these classic beef steak burgers. What we like. These burgers are made from premium corn-fed beef, offering a classic American grilling experience. They come vacuum-sealed for freshness and are ready to grill. If you are planning a barbecue or a family dinner, you should choose these burgers. What people say. The burgers were great. They cooked up great on both the stove and on the grill. The burger seasoning provided added a great taste to the meat. The perfect burger taste, consistency, flavor, everything, best I have ever had. These steak burgers were really good. I liked them. If you want to change it up a bit, these are really good. Comes with seasoning too. Number 1. Ditkas Chicago-style Italian beef and gravy. Experience the true taste of Chicago with this Italian beef and gravy. It's a classic dish, perfect for any occasion. You'll love every bite. This Italian beef is made with high-quality ingredients. The beef is slow-cooked to perfection, ensuring a tender and flavorful experience. It's a meal you won't forget. The gravy is the heart of this dish, rich and full of flavor. It complements the beef perfectly, creating a harmonious blend of tastes. It's the perfect comfort food. Each case contains 6 servings, ideal for sharing with family and friends. It's a great choice for gatherings or a quick and easy meal. Everyone will enjoy it. Preparing this meal is incredibly simple. Just heat it up and serve. It's a convenient way to enjoy a delicious and authentic Chicago-style meal. Enjoy it today. What we like. This product offers the classic Chicago-style Italian beef and gravy. It's a convenient option for those who love the authentic taste. If you want a quick and easy way to enjoy a Chicago favorite, you should consider this. What people say. The Italian beef sandwich was delicious. The gravy was flavorful. The beef was tender and flavorful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.